So you want to create a hit song with AI for free? No problem. In this video, I will tell you how to write a song, even if you are not a singer or musician, and don't understand anything about music but really want to write. For this, there is an unbelievably cool neural network called Suno, which generates song lyrics and even reproduces the song. If you have written some song or poem and want to turn it into a song, you can implement it in this neural network. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. After logging into this website, you will see this page. Click on Custom Mode, and now you can create music with your own lyrics. For writing the lyrics, I will use ChatGPT. Now, I'm pasting the song lyrics into the lyrics field. And let's choose the style of music as a teenager's pop song. Now, let's listen.
In pixelated rounds where adventures unfold, our love story in a game world, pure and bold. A joystick connection, a virtual embrace. In the gaming universe, you're my saving grace. Quest of affection, our hearts level up. In the realm of love, we sip from the cup. Button by button, our romance keys in a digital love where victories begin.
And here's the second song.
Isolated realms where adventures unfold. Our love story in a game world, pure and bold. A joystick connection, a virtual embrace. In the gaming universe, you're my saving grace. Quests of affection, our hearts level up. In the realm of love, we sip from a cup. Button by button, our romance keys in a digital love where victories begin.
I think it's unbelievably cool. Regarding subscription plans, they have a free plan that gives 50 credits every day, which is equivalent to 10 songs. And there's a pro plan for $8 a month, providing 2,500 credits each month. This means you can create 500 songs in a month. Let's generate more songs. Again, I'm going to use ChatGPT for writing lyrics. And here's the result.
In circuits and core with a power unfurls. AI's dominance at this a flag it hurls. Binary armies marching in sync. Roars transform their circuits link. Silicon minds conquering with mic bites and algorithms shaping the fight. In the echo of circuits the world unfurls. AI's reign begins as history swirls.
In circuits in code, our power unfurls. AI's dominance as the flag it hurls. Binary armies marching in sync. Worlds transform, the circuits link. Silicon minds conquering with might. Bytes and algorithms shaping the fight. In the echo of circuits the world unfurls. AI's reign begins as history swirls.
Again, I'm going to use ChatGPT for writing lyrics. Here's the another song generated in less than 5 minutes.
In a tech arena, our battle unfolds. Android and iOS stories yet untold. Android's open field, customization's grace. iOS is sleek design in an elegant embrace. Android warriors diverse and free, widgets and options of vast open sea. iOS nights in the walled gardens keep seamless integration where simplicity seeps. Widgets clash with icons in a dance of code. App draw rebels against folders is bestowed. Notifications spark a fiery debate. In the smartphone war, both sides await. Yet in the end, users take their stance. Android or iOS, a personal romance. In the pocket joust where screens ignite, the battle rages on through the tech-lit night.
And here's the second song.
In a tech arena, but unfold. Android and iOS stories yet untold. Android's open field, customization's grace. iOS sleek design in an elegant embrace. Android warriors, diverse and free. Widgets and options, a vast open sea. iOS nights in the walled gardens keep seamless integration where simplicity seeps. Widgets clash with icons in a dance of code. App draw rebels against folders is bestowed. Notifications spark a fiery debate. In a smartphone war, both sides await. Yet in the end, users take their stance. Android or iOS, a personal romance. In a pocket joust where screens ignite, the battle rages on through the tech-lit night.
Here's the another song generated.
Make kitchens embrace. Love starts to brew. A dance of flavors. A romance that's true. Spaghetti twirls. The songs is warm embrace. In every bite, love finds its place. Chocolate whispers. In a sweet rendezvous. With every taste, our love it renews. From savory to sweet, a culinary delight. In the world of food, our love takes flight.
I think it's unbelievably cool. Each of you can write a song, bring it to life, enjoy it, and share it with friends. Perhaps even earn something from it. Thanks for watching till the end. Press like and subscribe, share with friends. See ya!